I'm Shinito from BSIT2B and I'm here to report about the different kinds of connectors. The first type of connectors is HD type connectors. The first example of HD type connector is HD15 connector has 15 pins arranged in the 3 rows with 5 pins in each row. The middle row is somewhat displaced from the top and bottom because it is a high density DB style interconnector. The HD15 is sometimes known as HDP15. The second example is HD15 connector. Is the standard method for PC to VGA as VGA monitor interface. HD15 cables are also used to connect a computer to an HD-capable television, either directly with the HD15 connector or through an optional HD15 to YPI PD component adapter. The third one is the Video Graphics Array VGA connector is standard connector used in computer video output, originating with the 987 IBM PCS and its VGA graphics system. The 15-pin connector on to become ubiquitous on PCs as well as many monitors, projector and high-definition television sets. VGA connector DE15 HD15. SCSI application Apple PowerBook. The HDI30 connector has 30 pins arranged 5 rows on top of another. USB connectors. USB Type-A connectors, officially called Standard A connectors, are flat and rectangular in shape. Type-A is the original USB type connector and its most recognizable and commonly used connector. USB Type-A connectors are supposed every USB version including USB 3.0, USB 2.0, and USB 1.1. USB Type-B. You'll typically find USB Type-B ports on larger devices you connect to your computer such as printers and scanners. You might also have external storage device or drives that use them. Most USB Type connectors are at one end of a USB Type-B to Type-A cable. Miscellaneous connector. This standard covers all indoor-outdoor cable termination using alternating current cables having laminated or extruded insulation, rated 2.5 K to the 500 kV except separable insulated connectors which are covered by. Its design enhances functionality and capabilities combine utility connectors with application connectors to open up new data transmission, storage, and transformation opportunities and otherwise may not supported by existing APIs. Current loop converters are used in a variety of industries applications, especially with computer peripherals. For example, RS2 R32 connectors are current loop converters that connected printers to personal computers (PC) by using current of communication to transmit binary digits. That's all and thank you.